Maharashtra's newly elected Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis exclusively speaks to Times Now as he takes charge of the state. Fadnavis has made his stand clear on the irrigation as well as the other scams and has also spoken about the BJP's alliance with the Shiv Sena.
You are aware of the overwhelming evidence against Ajit Pawar and Sunil Tatkare. Will your government, and it's a very simple question, please give me a straight answer, will your government initiate a criminal investigation against the two of them?
Investigation suggested by Chitle committee is criminal investigation.
Will you initiate that, sir?
Yes, we will initiate whatever investigation suggested by Chitle committee, that investigation will be initiated. So my agenda is clear, no compromise.
Coming to Shiv Sena, sir, where does the negotiation with the Shiv Sena stand as of now? Because you've said both Sena and BJP they've been clearly saying on record that your talks are on, that the negotiations are on, yet we haven't seen the final result. Nothing conclusive has come out of it. So what is the status and where is it stuck? What are they asking? What is it that you don't want to give?
See, I think our negotiations are going in the right direction.
And what do you mean by right direction, sir?
Everything is not said on a television. I think it's better that both parties speak one-on-one, because many times those signals which are gone through media are misleading. And that is why this time we decided that we will not...
That's why you're keeping all your meetings secret.
Yes, we will not be speaking through media. We are personally negotiating. It's on a very good level. And I'm very, very hopeful. And the clear indication is Uddhavji attended the swearing-in ceremony yesterday.
After a lot of pestering by you, by Amit Shah and by Mr. Jaitley.
Not pestering.
Requesting.
Yeah, requesting.
But then he decided not to come. You had to request him. 11th hour, he came in late.
So what? He came?
Yeah, but then that required a lot of requesting. Why did he decide against coming, sir?
He came.
Sir, even Adarsh, the entire scam of Adarsha, which is of course right now being investigated by CBI, but there have been in numerous numbers of allegations against the CBI that they have diluted the role played by the former chief ministers, be it late Mr. Deshmukh, be it Mr. Shinde, Narayan Rane, of course Mr. Ashok Chavan as well. So my question to you, sir, is that will you ensure that that entire case is reinvestigated, is reopened if it's so required, and in a fair manner a probe goes ahead?
Yes. We would like to revisit. We would like to revisit the decision taken by Governor as well.
Okay.
We want to take the advice of the Advocate General. And if the advice says that decision taken was wrong, we'll reopen it. Initially, prima facie, we feel that the decision taken was biased.
The decision of not allowing an investigation to go ahead against Mr. Ashok Chavan, that decision talking about?
Yes.
Okay.
But as a government, I would like to tell you, no political vendetta. It's not about individual, it's about policy. Our policy will be zero tolerance, and looking at that policy, if the decision is found incorrect, we'll review it, we'll reopen it.
You feel that decision was biased by the government?
Yeah, I feel.
You feel
I've
so?
raised that.